Hello traders, this is Marek from Trading Academy. I am really glad to welcome you at today's stream. Today is 11th of July and we will go through our stock market for sure. Stay here if you would like to see what stocks we are going to trade today, and we picked for you nice stocks, nice setups you can trade with us, and yeah, this is why we are streaming that. Fast introduction, who we are a team of professional traders, so we trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, and futures. As you may know, we also upload on our socials like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram very valuable content like weekly results, these kind of scenarios for forex, cryptocurrencies, articles about economic situations, scalping techniques, and so on. And we also do for you webinars which are interactive and you can ask there any question you want. We share with you our strategies, like one of our most successful pattern from Horizon strategy. We trade successfully through all the markets, let's say. And I think this is just for you. And if you are interested in this webinar, just smash the link below the stream, and after filling the form, you will be invited to the webinar again. It is interactive. You can ask there any question you want, and we will teach you how to trade one of our successful pattern. Okay, I think this was fast introduction. If you will have any question about stock markets or any particular stock, just put your question into the chat and I will look at your question and I will be happy to answer you. So I believe this was fast introduction. Now I think it's time to move to our markets. First of all, I would like to talk about fundamentals in the moment, and because we are talking about NISE and Nasdaq. I am more focusing now on US dollar in the moment, and you see that for today we have only, let's say, testify of Powell, chairman of Fed, and also tomorrow we have PPI index, but for today we are expecting higher volatility in this case on stock markets and stock indexes, but not so much. But today more, tomorrow not much. Okay, let's look at S&P 500. S&P 500, as you know, it is 500 companies index of stocks, and if you look at that, the price as we expected because of, let's say, politics of low interest rates, stock index is going higher and we are at this all-time high. In the moment for today, what we are expecting, let's look at M15. I took it as very like nice to analyze, and for today we are opening with gap. This gap can be for sure filled. You also see this trend line. For a long scenario, we need to, let's say, check if this trend line is going to hold. If not, it won't be good for the stock index, and in that case, we can expect some, let's say, short movement for a while to recharge for another push up. Definitely, stock indexes are in bullish scenario for us, and we would like to trade it intraday, but be careful because for example, yesterday huge momentum, but we've seen this like 50% pullback. Always count with the pullback, always trade with pullback. This is my, let's say, hint I would like to give you for today, and let's move to our stocks. If you look at stocks, I would like to show you the stocks we pick for today, and let's look at stocks in play. And we pick from today Bed Bath Beyond. You see positive result. Let's look at stock. You may be more aware about how we are picking stocks. It is based on, let's say, liquidity and also good fundamentals in the moment. Let's switch to daily time frame. Now in the moment, stock is above this important daily level, you see, and we can be in this kind of channel in the moment. So definitely wait after opening what will happen if stock is able to, let's say, form some intraday levels, then we can trade for sure. For me, what I see in the moment is like it's not so significant level, but if stock is able to break this level, flip and up, yeah, why not? Also be aware about this, let's say, trend line. I see just a moment. We can expect some pullback. Like big players would like to use this liquidity of like weak traders, and we can see some push up. I do not expect that this trend line will be broken in the moment. We are counting with long center for sure. Let's look also for today's earning before open, and you see that Delta Airlines positive result. Our stock is in play for sure, and in the moment. Uh, Stock is just attacking its all-time high in the moment, so be aware of that. If stock is able to break this level and hold above, nice long scenario for sure. Our playbook situation, definitely check this up. Also, it is possible that the price will be rejected and we can go down to fill the gap. Also, we are ready to trade it. Let's look at M15 if you will find some clue there, and everything looks here fine. So we will see how stack will react on the level. But for me, it looks very pretty nice for longing in the moment. So you see this trend line, which is holding really with big volume there. Interesting stock in play today. Okay, one stock we've seen the earnings. I will show you. It is Fastenal. You see that we have a negative result, a negative report below the expectation. And let's look at stack how it looks like. As you see today, stacks is moving because of report like going down for us. This is really important zone. I will a little bit tied it up because it's not very not very precise. But you see that I think you have no idea what we will be doing today. Pull back, short it, and be ready to make money there. Also, stock is on its all-time, let's say, low, I believe, in the moment. So really interesting stock to play and to trade for today. So we picked more stack for you. Let's look, for example, on Tesla. For Tesla, we see really nice fundamental, like there was and there is a precise stamping service provider, China, fine blanking technology set to increase shipments to Tesla digitimes. Uh, Means like that it's really positive for of course for stock if you see that orders are let's say rising and let's say we can see also some dependency on positive results in that case. So definitely nice interesting stock in play. Let's look from intraday level what you would like to see today. Really be careful about the level. It's very close here. It's like few points, but still you have like 3 points or 4 points to get to the level. So nice profit taking. It's really interesting stuff to trade today for us. I'm just checking if there is some question. If there is not, maybe I would like to give you more. And this is maybe the last stack I would like to show you. We have more stacks for sure. But in this stream, it is always about the interaction. If you are able to interact with me, I am really happy to share with you anything like from my trading strategy. But if not, we'll move on. In that case, cost see all-time high. Stock is accepting the price above the level. If you would like to trade it, trade, but be careful about the volume. Really, stock must or should hold the level above this all-time high and previous all-time for sure, and then we would like to long it. So be prepared, put your orders there, and be ready to trade with us. So I am checking your question if there is, and it is not. So I would like to use this opportunity to just remind you that we upload our content to our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter media. So you have an idea that if you look there about if you look at our content, I think you will be sure that we are put very interesting things for you for your trading, like this trading scenario for different markets like forex, cryptocurrencies, and also we give you our breakdown of our trades, how we are look at the markets, the way how we are making money. So I think you have an idea that we are solid, and in case of uh, big interest of trading strategy we are using, just smash the link below this stream, and after filling the form you will be invited to our webinar. Our webinar is interactive and you can ask any question you want. I will share with you there one of our pattern we successfully trade on other markets. So I believe for today this is all. Thank you again for watching, and if you like this content, please hit the like button and share it with anybody who would find it helpful for sure. And with these words, I would like to say that I wish you pick the nice trades and wish you the best luck on stock markets. Meanwhile, take care.